Tesla just did it again. The 2026 Tesla Model Y has officially landed, and it's not just an update, it's a revolution. Sharper design, smarter tech, better range, and performance that might just make you question why you ever needed anything else. Let's talk about the new look. Tesla's minimalist approach gets a sharper edge in 2026. The redesigned front fascia is more aerodynamic, with sleeker LED headlights and a tighter, more aggressive nose. Tesla removed unnecessary contours and smoothed out the body lines, resulting in a drag coefficient of just 0.22. That's not just beautiful, it's built for speed and efficiency. The rear gets a subtle facelift too. A new light bar stretches across the back, giving it a premium feel that screams futuristic luxury. Now this is where Tesla shows off. Step inside the 2026 Model Y and you're greeted by a cleaner, more luxurious interior. Soft touch materials wrap around you, and a new ambient lighting system lines the dash and doors. It's like stepping into a spaceship. The 15-inch horizontal touchscreen remains your command center, now running Tesla's latest software with better UI, faster response, and even deeper AI integration. And yes, you've got a yoke steering option again, though a traditional wheel is still available. Underneath, Tesla didn't hold back. The base RWD version offers 0 to 60 in just 5.9 seconds, but if you're all about speed, the performance dual motor variant hits it in 3.5 seconds flat. Range? We're talking up to 340 miles on a single charge, thanks to Tesla's improved battery chemistry. And with the new V5 superchargers rolling out, you'll get 200 miles of range in under 10 minutes. Let that sink in. Charging anxiety? Gone. Tesla's network is now even more expansive, and the 2026 Model Y supports bidirectional charging, so yes, your car can power your home during an outage. So how much will this future-forward ride cost you? The standard RWD Model Y starts at around $47,000. The long-range dual motor hits $54,000, and the performance model comes in at $60,000. Now considering the upgrades, features, and Tesla's OTA updates that keep improving the car over time, that's a pretty solid deal for what's basically a computer on wheels. The 2026 Tesla Model Y isn't just an evolution, it's a sign of where everyday electric mobility is headed. Beautifully engineered, obsessively efficient, and still ahead of the curve. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model Y the EV to beat in its class? Let us know in the comments. Would you go with the Model Y, or are you eyeing a different EV for your next ride? If you loved this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic car content, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next big drop.